So hello, good morning students. In the previous class already I have told you about the hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons? After then, how many types are the hydrocarbons? Again, I am telling you a little bit about the hydrocarbons. The compound which is made up of carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbons. The compound which is made up of carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the two types: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, and after that, what are the saturated hydrocarbons? When a hydrocarbon having a single bond, when a hydrocarbon having a single bond, that is called a saturated hydrocarbons. And when a hydrocarbon having double or triple bond, is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Now, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into alkene and alkyne. Alkene, A-L-K-E-N-E, and alkyne, A-L-K-Y-N-E. And what is the formula of alkene? CnH2n. और alkyne का क्या बताया था बेटा मैंने? CnH2n -2. So now, in today's class, we will discuss about the nomenclature of carbon compounds. So, what is your topic, beta? Today's topic is the nomenclature. What is your topic, beta? Nomenclature of carbon compounds. So, in today's class, we discuss about the nomenclature of carbon compounds. Carbon and its compound. Okay, my dear students. So now listen. How can we given the name of carbon compound? Okay. So there are some rules, we follow it. Okay. What is the first rule say that? Now listen. Your first rule say that count the number of carbon atom. What? Count the number of carbon atom in the given compound. Okay. Count the number of carbon atom. So first we count the number of carbon atom in the given compound and write the root word for it. Okay, so now listen, my dear student, what is the root word? Okay, what is the root word? Okay, so now if if one carbon is present, then it is called male. When two carbon is present, it is called eth. When 3 carbon is present, it is called pro. When 4 carbon is present, that is but. When 5 carbon is present, called pen. When 6 carbon is present, called X. When 7 carbon is present, it is also called F. When 8 carbon is present, called off. Okay, and when 9 is present, that is called non. And when 10 carbon is present, it is called base. Again, I am telling you, my dear, what is the root word? When 1 carbon is present, then we use the term men. When 2 carbon is present, then we use the F. When 3 carbon is present, it is called pro. When 4 carbon is present, we use the but. When 5 is present, then we use the pen. When 6 is present, then we use the hex. When 7 is present, then we use the head. When 8 is present, then we use the off. 9, non, and 10, dead. Okay, just like I am writing here one example. Now, so my dear student, this is the compound. Okay, this is the compound and given this is the, now listen my dear student, this is the compound. Okay, now listen my dear students, here given the one compound. Okay, now listen my dear students, what you observe here, this is the carbon compound and how can we given the name. So first we count the number of carbon atom. First we count the number of carbon atom. So how many number of carbon atom present here? 1, 2, 3. How many carbon is present, beta? 3. Okay. Sure. When 3 carbon is present, then we given the term pro. Okay, so what will be given the term here? Pro. Okay, now after that, next, if the compound are saturated, what is the written here? If the compound are saturated, added suffix, okay, n. बेटा जो सफिक्स होता है वो बाद में लगता है एंड प्रीफिक्स होता है वो पहले लगता है. Suffix always add after the root word and prefix added before the root word. Okay, to the root word. So now listen, watching their bonding pattern. What do you observe? All these compound all having a single bond. All having a single bond. Now listen my dear student, all these compound having a single bond. There is a no double bond present. Okay beta, in this compound there have no double bond present. So what you observe here? We added the n. We added the n. Okay. We added the n. Okay. So now when we added the here n, then what is the name? This is the name of propane. This is the name of beta. This is the name of propane. In the same way, again I am telling you my dear. Now, again listen. Okay, this is the compound. Now, so first we count the number of carbons. How many number of carbons present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. How many number of carbon atoms? 5. Then what is the root word? Pen. Okay, all having a single bond. All having a single bond. Then we use the suffix n. What is the name of compound, my dear? The name of compound is the pentane. Okay, now. Next, I am telling next example. Now, I am telling a next example. Now, Now, so what you observe here? First, we count the number of carbon atom. How many number of carbon present? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what is the root word? But. What is the root word here, my? But. Okay. But if it is unsaturated, added suffix in ya "-ine". So what you observe? This having a double bond, this having a double bond, and when a carbon compound having a double bond, then when a carbon compound having a double bond, then we use the which suffix? "-ine". We use the suffix "-ine". E and E. Okay, so count the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. But and having a double bond, then we added the suffix "-ine". It is a butene. Okay, my dear student. Now, next. Now, after that. Next, this is the given compound. How can we given the name? So first we count the number of carbon atom. How many number of carbon atom present here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many number of carbon atom present here? 4. So but. But when a hydrocarbon having a triple bond, then when a carbon having a triple bond, when a carbon having a triple bond, when a carbon having a triple bond, then we given the word, which word given, my dear? "-ine". Which have given? "-ine". So we added the suffix "-wine". So what is the name of this compound? Butane. Okay. So in this way we given the name of carbon compound. Now, but already, my dear student, I have told you functional group. Any carbon compound, their chemical reactivity is also depend on the functional group, and already I have told you some functional group. Just like alcohol. So alcohol we use when OH group are present in a carbon compound, then we given the, or when CHO group present, aldehyde group present, then we given the L. When halogen group present, then we added the chlorofluoro. Okay. So this functional group, when these functional group added in a carbon compound, it replaces the one or more hydrogen atom. Okay, I am telling one example, my dear students. CH. Now, okay, what is the name of this carbon compound? Then how can we retain it? Okay, so what do you observe here? Here OH is the functional group. OH is the functional group. Here OH is the functional group. Now count the number of carbon atoms. 1 and 2. How many number of carbon atoms? 2. So when 2 number of carbon atoms, then we use the ethane. Okay. And which functional group are here? All. What is the name of this compound? Ethanol. Okay. After that, next. What is the name of given compound? So first we count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many number of carbon atoms? 6. Okay. So what is when a 6 carbon atom is present? What is the root word? Hex or having a single bond, then it is a hexane. But in last, what you observe here, halogen group are present. Which functional group are present? Halogen. Okay, so what is the name of given compound? Chlorohexane. Okay, my dear student, what we given the name? What we have given the name? Chlorohexane. Okay, now CS3 CHO. Okay, what is the name of given compound? So first count the number of carbon atom. What you observe here? 1 and 2. So how many number of carbon atoms present here? 2. All having a single bond. Then ethane, and which functional group are present here? Here CHO functional group are present. When a CHO aldehyde group are present, then we given the al. So what is the name of given compound? Ethanol. Okay, so in this way we given the nomenclature of carbon and its compound. So watch this video properly, and if you have any problem then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.